everyone, before I start this amazing video, I just wanted to inform you that I have merch on my channel. Link will be on the description down below. Go check it out for yourself. Yes, it is shipped worldwide. You can get it in the Philippines, wherever you are in the world. Get ready for our meet and greet. More information and enjoy the video starting right now. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the Anthony Show, guys. I'm very excited, as you could see, because I'm gonna be reacting to, it was suggested to me not a while back, like very recently, because this video came out a week ago. Very hesitant to do it because I've reacted to American Idol before and it would get removed, get copyrighted, get blocked, so no one could see it. So Indonesian Idol Junior, this could be kind of just trying it out to see if it works. But if there's no video that's coming up when I start doing the video, that means it got copyrighted, it got blocked. But I wanted to show you guys my initial reaction to this Indonesian performer. She supposedly got the golden ticket, Miss Suara Anneth. So guys, without further ado, I'm just gonna get straight into this video. And if you want to see more of this awesome videos on my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button on my goal to 50,000 subscribers, guys. Let's get straight into the video. Let's do it in 3, 2, 1, and go. Oh, okay, who are the judges? Oh, at least she has the confidence to do it. I'd be like, hi. Is she gonna sing an English song? I hope so. Junior. Is there subtitles?
Berarti kamu ngirim video lewat online, dikirim, terus nanti kamu dikontak sama pihak Indonesian Idol Junior. Iya, iya. Waktu itu waktu online kamu nyanyi lagu apa?
Love sama
Love-nya
Keisha Cole.
Ntar dulu, kamu hari ini
Banyak banget.
Love by Keisha Cole?
hari ini mau lagu apa?
Location.
Kali?
Iya.
Coba, silakan.
This is gonna be good.
Tunggu, kita bahkan
This is going to. Oh,
Oh iya.
did he just pause her? Oh yeah.
Oh iya.
Oh heck no.
Nama panjang aku Anneth bisa dipanggil Anneth. Pasti orang
This video got almost 9 million views.
soalnya.
Oh iya.
Iya.
That is crazy.
Aku 12 tahun, aku dari Manado. Manado.
Orang Medan tapi di Manado.
Papa Batak, mama Manado.
Oh, pantesan udah lagi.
I wish I knew what they were saying.
Cantik ini loh.
Teach me Indonesian, the language.
Oke.
Teach me the language.
Send me your location is focus on communicating, 'cause I know nothing else but you. Oh, send me your location is right the direction, 'cause I
They got the judges in love. What's that? Oh, I was like, what is he doing?
At times I wonder why I fool you, but it's new to me and it's new to you.
Isn't this song called Location?
I didn't wanna fall for you, gives my attention, it was all for you. So take a big chance, don't leave my heart. Some may so hard.
I like her voice though. She hit it some good techniques. I'm sensing there's few of them. Reminds me of KZ Tandagan. Oh.
Aku mau denger kamu nyanyi Love.
Kamu itu serius sebelum kamu
Love.
lanjut, aku bisa meramalkan kamu masuk 5 besar.
Is that love?
Jadi juara.
Tapi harus konsisten ya.
Love.
Kita pengen banget denger
Lagu yang kamu nyanyiin pas
Send
yang
me
online.
your location. Let's focus on communication. And I don't need.
I used to think that I wasn't good enough.
There we go. That's the song.
Think that I wasn't fun enough.
Oh yeah.
I would waste my time.
There we go.
Why you pay
Who hurt you? Who hurt you? What? Okay, what are they doing? Like, come on. They being goofy. There we go, yeah. Yeah, take her, give her that golden ticket right there. I would give her the golden ticket right there. I'll give her my golden ticket right there. Just that part. That was the test. Look at her face! Okay. LOL, serious? No, we just joking. You know. Okay, they need to make it more exciting. They need like the golden like things that come out of the air. Ariana Grande.
Aku pengen kamu nanti kalau lolos, aku pengen kamu ada bawain lagu itu loh.
What are you saying? They seriously need an invention.
Iya, suaranya pasti ke situ banget.
Thank you.
Kekuatan kamu udah biasa lagi.
In the name of love. That's a good beat right there. That's a good beat. That's a good beat. That's a good beat. Aww. That's what we do in the Philippines. We do that bow thing.
Kamu bisa explore juga di situ.
She's good. She is good. I hope she wins. Oh, now they play the original. Okay. It's not the same. It's just the way Keisha. Hold on, say it at the end. She speaks good English. See, I love it when they speak English. Loving you. See, I can't do that. If I try, I'm gonna break the windows and I'm gonna break my lens.
Tak hanya rumah yang mempesona,
I like her cover.
Suara Anneth berhasil membuat dia mendapatkan golden ticket. Bravo!
Bravo indeed! Wow. So far, that was already audition number 1? Yo, they're popping. They're booming. Okay, so at first, when she was singing Khalid's Location, in fact, I thought they were singing Keisha Cole's Love, so I'm like, wait a minute, this is not Keisha Cole at all. This is Khalid's Location. So, and then when they performed it, I can't believe she did 2 songs on one audition. That's already a lot. Because you know, in America's Got Talent or any other somewhat like performances, they always only just perform 1 song, but instead she performed 2. She sang it again the 3rd time when she was walking out with that golden ticket. I do not know what that means in Indonesian Idol. Maybe that means they go forward, they skip the judge cuts. That's what we call it in America. And wow, she is good. Like, yo, she was hitting some good techniques right there. And that was by Keisha Cole. Imagine when she does Ariana. Like, Ariana's a challenge by herself. But let's see what happens on her future performances. But I like this performance. It was a really good performance. I was vibing to the song. I liked her version. Oh yeah, so the difference between the way she sang it and the way Keisha Cole sang it was Keisha Cole was more emphasized on like, damn, Keisha Cole got her heart broken. Like, did you not watch the official music video of that? Tyrese just, like, Tyrese was just like cheating on Keisha Cole. But here, it was a bit like soft. It wasn't too extreme. Like, she was singing the song like well done. But if this girl, like, she's still a kid obviously, but if she got like her heart broken, damn, then she would like put her heart out. Like, she would sing her heart out with the song that Keisha Cole sang. But thank you guys for watching. My battery's about to die on my on my camera. But guys, if you're new to my channel, you don't want to miss out on any more of these awesome videos. Hit the subscribe button on the goal, the road, the journey to 50,000 subscribers, guys. We're hitting milestones, we're breaking records. Comment what you want to see next, like this video for more, and please share it all over Indonesia, all over everyone. Share it with your friends, family, share it on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, whatever you gotta do. Please share it, spread the love. Peace out, guys. Stay awesome, and I'll see you on my next video.